Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a lesson, which is the main part of Nearpod. I'm going to make it very simple. I'm not going to go in and create my own lesson. I'm going to take a lesson that has already been created from the Nearpod library here. So simply what you're going to do is you're on your library screen. You're going to go to create. And what you're going to do is here you can create lessons in Google Slides, and you can combine content, videos, activities, and things like that. So I'm going to go into lessons because that's what I want them to do. Is I want them to do an online lesson that's blended in the classroom that teaches them a different way that I may not. So this could be their lesson for the day. So I can go in and I can add a slide, and I can add in a video or web content. I can pull from Sway since we're on 365. I could do a video and insert an anticipatory set or some kind of hook. Could be a video, so I could go in and do that, and I could make these all from scratch if I want to. I can add the clip art in. I can do all that kind of stuff. So I can go in. I can even video myself. I can pull a Nearpod video off if I want to. If I choose to do that, I'm just going to pull one from math. I'm just going to randomly select one. We'll just do mean, median, and mode. How about that? Click on it. I will tell you that these take a lot of time. You can go in here and look at this if you want to. Always overview the video and what it says. So I'm going to click save. I've looked through the video. And boom, there it is. So when they start their lesson, boom, the lesson's going to be the first thing. Then I can add another slide. In this slide, let's say I want to add a slideshow. So now I can go in and I can upload images. I can drag and drop them. I can do whatever I want to in here. We'll just say median. I can go in and I can search for median, mean, median, and mode. Can even look for it here. So you can go in and look at, hey, this is how it does with data. I'll just click on a random one, select, put it in there just to show you how to do it. So you can go in and do a slideshow. You can preview the slideshow if you want to, or the student preview. This is what their lesson will look like when you're finished with it. I'm only going to do two simple ones. You can make them as creative as you want to. You can go in and pick whatever you would like. So what it's going to do is it's going to pop up. They play the video. They go next on their slide, and it goes in to explain them, hey, this is the definition of a median. Here's your main for mean, median, and mode. I can click the X here to get off my student preview. So you can add slides and you can make the lesson. I mean, you can add, VR field trips in there if you have Google Cardboard, or if you have any kind of other VR type stuff, your virtual reality. If you want to do some augmented reality stuff, that's kind of cool with the 3D. Simulations, if you're doing currents or conductors, or really anything. You can insert audio of you, like let's say you're reading a book, you could do that. So you can be as creative as you want. You also have activities in here. Do you want them to draw on? Do you want to put open-ended questions in there? Do you want to link it up with Flipgrid? Do you have memory tests for like some of your younger kids, like flipping over and doing memory, apples to apples, orange to orange? Fill in the blank type stuff, like your maze passages. There's all kinds of activities. You can make it as creative as what you want, but it's what best fits your strategy and whatever's going to help your student and their goals. So that's kind of how you can add those units or these slides. You can also, title it whatever you want to do. I'm just going to do test, and automatically it pops up. You can see that's the name of it. So down here, once you're finished with it and you've made it, now we'll tell you it takes time to make them. I'm going to just click save and exit. It's taking me 5 minutes to even get through just this. So I'll hit save and exit. So that's how you can create a lesson from scratch. So I hope that helps. Thanks.